This video is going to show the process of caramelization. So first what we're going to do is turn the heat to medium. And we're going to pour the sugar into the pan. So make sure this is distributed evenly throughout the bottom of the pan before we get this process started. So as this keeps going, you're going to see in the corners the sugar will begin to melt. And you'll also see later the texture of sugar will start changing as it starts getting wet. And this is just because all the moisture is coming out of the sugar. So to further explain the caramelization process is a name given to the chemical reactions that occur when any sugar is heated to the point that its molecules begin to break. Caramelization is the oxidation of sugar, a process used extensively in cooking for the resulting nutty flavor and brown color. Caramelization is a type of non-enzymatic browning reaction. So as this process occurs, unstable chemicals are released, producing the characteristic caramel flavor. The reaction involves removal of water, as you will see the steam coming up, and that's just the water being removed, and the breakdown of sugar. The caramelization reaction depends on the type of sugar. Sucrose and glucose caramelize around 320 degrees Fahrenheit, while fructose caramelizes at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. So when you add a few tablespoons of sugar, you put it in a pan and heated will eventually melt and turn brown. So at this temperature, the sugar compounds begin to break down and new compounds form. So I'm going to keep cooking this here, and I'm going to stop when it starts bubbling and quit smoking. When it starts bubbling and it smokes quite a bit. This is kind of telling me that the sugar has been melted and the process is done, so I will come back when this process is complete. So this is a little bit into the process here, and as you can start to see, the corners are beginning to turn that brown color and turn to a liquid. As I said earlier, what would happen. So I'm going to come back a little later once it's done. So here is the end product. As you can see, it has that brown color that I mentioned earlier, and the sugar has been broken down to form new compounds. And I just want to mention how throughout the process you could see steam rising, and this was just the water being removed. So thank you for watching my video about caramelization.